Now, so we can express the correspondence between the vertices of triangle ABC and PQR in six different ways. Okay, we can express the correspondence between the vertices of triangle ABC and PQR in six different ways, like ABC corresponding to PQR, ABC corresponding to PRQ. ओके, तो लाइक दिस वे, मतलब किसी भी तरह से हम सिक्स डिफरेंट तरीके से इन सबको आपस में ऐसा रख सकते हैं कि वो दैट बीइंग ओवरलैपिंग. ओके, सो सो वी गेट फॉलोइंग we get following corresponding relations. Clear? We get following corresponding relations: pairs of corresponding angles, pairs of corresponding angles. Okay, pairs of corresponding angles and pairs of corresponding sides. Angle A corresponding to angle P, angle B corresponding to angle Q, angle C corresponding to angle R. Okay, AB corresponding to PQ, BC corresponding to QR, AC corresponding to PR. Okay, so we will get these pair of corresponding angles. Okay, यूँ समझ लो इनके ऊपर ये ओवरलैप कर सकते हैं इस तरह से. ओके, तो साइड विल बी ओवरलैप टू दिस साइड, दिस साइड विल बी ओवरलैप टू दिस साइड, दिस एंगल विल ओवरलैप टू दिस एंगल, बी विल बी ओवरलैप टू क्यू, सिंगल एंगल सी ओवरलैप टू एंगल आर. ओके, तो what is there, what I am saying, that if for the correspondence ABC, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Okay, the triangles exactly coincide with each other. Clear? Then the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, then the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. ओके, क्लियर। तो ये हो जाएगा। नाउ टेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। व्हाट इज द टेस्ट ऑफ, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। ओके, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी is symbol of congruency of triangles. Okay, now the test of congruency. Now test of congruency. Okay, clear, test of congruence. So what is there, टेक्स्ट बुक पे पेज नंबर 83 पे है ये। सो फर्स्ट इज देयर SAS टेस्ट। व्हाट? SAS टेस्ट, क्लियर। सो SAS टेस्ट इज व्हाट, आप समझ सकते हैं साइड एंगल साइड, क्लियर। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट। तो व्हाट विल बी देयर, if suppose that two triangles are there, and KLM, okay, and you taking here PQR, okay, two triangles are there, this is what PQR, okay। so तो क्या हो जाएगा, इफ फॉर द गिवन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस ऑफ द वर्टाइसेज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, टू साइड्स एंड द इंक्लूडेड एंगल ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल, ओके। टू साइड्स, इफ टू साइड्स, so this side and this side and this angle, okay। so two sides and the included angle of one triangle, if two sides and the included angle, and included angles of one triangle, okay, one triangle are congruent or congruent with the corresponding sides and the included angle, the included angles of the other triangle of the other triangles then the two triangles are then both triangles are both triangles are congruent to each other. ओके, अंडरस्टूड। इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि देखो, इफ दिस साइड इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस साइड, ओके, दिस साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू दिस साइड, और इन दोनों के बीच का दैट इज रीजन इट इज कॉल्ड SAS मीन साइड एंगल साइड। तो दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड और उनके बीच में एंगल आ रहा है, बीच में एंगल आ रहा है ना, तो साइड एंगल साइड साइड और उनके बीच का एंगल साइड साइड इनके बीच का एंगल, इफ बोथ आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर congruent to each other, then both the triangles will call as congruent to each other. Okay, so therefore we can say triangle KLM congruent to triangle PRQ. Clear? Okay, now come to second. Now come to second part. Second is what? SSS test. SSS test. Okay, for that what is that? Okay, if two triangles have, okay, corresponding sides are congruent. If two triangles have all three corresponding sides are equal. Okay, equal, then both triangle are congruent to each other. Okay, so if suppose that both triangles are there, okay, if suppose that both triangles are here, okay, this is not clear, both are given here. ये छोटा बन गया था, now I am making here second one also. So like this is what A, B, C, P, Q, R. All sides are equal. Okay. all sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal. Okay, so if AB, okay, is equal to PQ, PR is equal to AC, BC is equal to QR. So in this situation क्या होगा, therefore triangle ABC to triangle PQR, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, this is the second test. Okay, now come to third test. What is the third test? Third test is there. Third test is there for ASA. Clear? What? SSS completed. Now ASA. ASA test. Okay, means angle side angle test. Okay, angle side angle test. So what will be there? Suppose that if there are two triangles are there, suppose that two triangles are there, like PQR, here A, B, C. Okay, suppose that ASA means this angle and this angle same as this angle. B is congruent to Q, B is equal to Q, you can say C is equal to R, and between A side A, angle side angle, okay, और बीच का side BC equal to side QR. Okay, so if such type of situation coming where angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and BC side, between का BC side is equal to QR, if this type of situation is coming, so if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R and BC is equal to QR. ओके, अगर ऐसा हो कि दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल Q, C इक्वल टू R और उनके मिडल का, उनके बीच का साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो इन दिस सिचुएशन ओके both the triangle will call as congruent to each other. Therefore, then triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Clear? So इतना हो गया, it's completed. So it's completed. आपका ये हो गया, ASA टेस्ट भी हो गया. Okay, now come to AAS. or SAA test. Okay, so this is called as fourth test. Fourth is what? AAS. AAS or SAA test. SAA test. Okay, so this is the test. Now what is there? So suppose that if there are two triangles are same as, okay, I am making here actually it is by I am making by pen so that you can understand it properly. But what is that? By pen if there is little bit mistake then I cannot rub it. Okay, so थोड़ा बहुत हो लेंथ तो you avoid it. Okay, do not confuse. Okay, if थोड़ा बहुत ये ज़्यादा कम ज़्यादा हो तो avoid it because I can't rub it. Okay, और ये मैं आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ कि इसे पेन से कर रहा हूँ such that you can make it better visible for you. This is triangle A B C. Here is what? P Q R. Okay, so what I am saying, if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, so what is I am saying, angle A is, so